Today we'll be solving one very interesting question from Nigerian Mathematical Olympiad. Here we have fx given. It is one rational function. It is said to find the minimum value of fx, given that x is positive. So we will consider numerator over denominator. Now we are going to simplify numerator first. So we will write here numerator n equal to x plus 1 over x whole power 6 minus x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 minus 2, which will be equal to x plus 1 over x whole power 6 minus, we will take common. In other bracket we will write x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 plus 2, which will be written as x plus 1 over x whole power 6 minus x power 6. We can write x cube whole square plus 1 over x power 6. We can write 1 over x cube whole square plus 2 can be written as 2 times x cube times 1 over x cube. X cube from numerator denominator will still get 2. And if we consider x cube is a, 1 over x cube is b, then here we have a square plus b square plus 2ab, which we know equal to a plus b whole square. So our numerator will become x plus 1 over x whole power 6 minus x cube plus 1 over x cube whole square. Now here we have power 6, x plus 1 over x whole power 6. Can we factor 6 as 2 times 3? So I will write here n equal to x plus 1 over x, and then there is power 6 which we will write 3 times 2 minus x cube plus 1 over x cube whole square. We know that a power b times c can be written as a power b whole power c. So we will write numerator n x plus 1 over x whole cube, and then we'll put whole part minus, we'll write x cube plus 1 over x cube whole square. If we will consider x plus 1 over x whole cube, p, x cube plus 1 over x cube, then here we have p square minus q square form. So we can utilize difference of two squares formula, and we can write p plus q times p minus q. So we will write numerator n will be equal to x plus 1 over x whole cube plus x cube plus 1 over x cube in one bracket times x plus 1 over x whole cube minus x cube plus 1 over x cube in other bracket from p minus q. Now this is our numerator. If we will check, here we have denominator which is matching with numerator's factor, x plus 1 over x whole cube plus x cube plus 1 over x cube. Let's find fx. So we will write here fx equal to numerator over denominator. So numerator is x plus 1 over x whole cube plus x cube plus 1 over x cube in one bracket times, in second bracket we will write x plus 1 over x whole cube minus x cube plus 1 over x cube. This will be in second bracket over x plus 1 over x whole cube plus x cube plus 1 over x cube. Now we can cancel these two terms from numerator denominator. We will write fx will be equal to x plus 1 over x whole cube minus x cube minus 1 over x cube. Now we will be using a plus b whole cube identity over here. We can write a cube, which will be equal to x cube, plus b cube 1 over x cube plus 3ab, so 3 times x times 1 over x times a plus b, which is x plus 1 x. Then we have minus x cube minus 1 over x cube. Now we will cancel plus x cube minus x cube plus 1 over x cube minus 1 over x cube x. So we will write fx will be equal to 3 times x plus 1 over x. This is fx. Now we have to find minimum value of fx. So if I will write two numbers x and 1 over x, as per problem given is x greater than 0. So both numbers are positive numbers. Now we know that am is greater than or equal to gm inequality. So I will find arithmetic mean of these two numbers x and 1 over x. So we have to add both of the numbers divided by count of the numbers, which is 2. This should be greater than or equal to its geometric mean, which will be equal to the square root of x times 1 over x, product of both. Here we will cancel x from numerator denominator. So this is nothing but square root 1. We know that square root 1 is 1. So we have x plus 1 over x over 2 greater than or equal to. Now to cancel 2 from the denominator, we will multiply our inequality by 2. So we will multiply here by 2 also. Now we can cancel 2 from numerator denominator. So we can write here the minimum value of x plus 1 over x is 2. Now we will write f of x first, which is equal to 3 times x plus 1 over x. Now minimum value of x plus 1 over x is 2. So we will write f minimum x, f of x minimum value will be equal to 3 times 2, which will be equal to 6. So our answer will become 6. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.